Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you ever opened a PDF on your MacBook and realized you can't edit it? Maybe you need to highlight important information, add some notes, or fix a typo quickly. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to edit PDF files on Mac, a built-in method and a more powerful solution. Let's start with the built-in method using Preview. First, locate your PDF file on your Mac. Click on it once to select it, then press the spacebar on your keyboard. Then click Open with Preview. This will open a quick preview window instantly. Then click the pen icon in the top panel to reveal all the editing tools. To highlight key points, use the highlight tool to emphasize important text. You can also add text, shapes, annotations, and images to further enhance your document. It's a quick and easy way to mark up your PDF. Once you're done editing, you can simply close the file and your changes will be automatically saved. It's fast and convenient for basic edits. But remember, you still can't directly change the original text in the PDF. If you need full editing control, PDNob PDF Editor is a better choice. You can find the download link in the description below. Next, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Launch PDNob and open your file directly inside the software. Then go to the top menu and click on the Edit tab. Now just click on any text in the document. You can place your cursor exactly where you want, delete existing words, or type in new content. You can also adjust the font, change the size, modify the color, and align the text to match the original layout. If you want to add more content, simply click on an empty area and start typing. You can also use the highlight tool to mark important points, making key information stand out clearly. Once everything looks good, just save your file, and your changes will be applied instantly. This gives you full control over your PDF, making it ideal for precise and professional edits. So here's a quick comparison. Preview is great for basic annotations and highlighting. But for editing text and making deeper changes, PDNob PDF Editor gives you much more flexibility. It really depends on what you need. If this video helped you edit PDF files on your MacBook, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.